In this episode, red blood cells swears to get her act together, which means finishing an entire round of delivery all by herself without any hiccups. Blood circulation in the body is facilitated by the heart. It is divided into 4 chambers. The upper chambers are known as the atria, while the lower regions are known as the ventricles. The atria and ventricles are separated by valves to ensure that blood flows in only one direction. The heart is further divided into 2 halves, with the left half containing oxygenated blood and the right half containing deoxygenated blood. The 2 halves are separated by a wall known as a septum, which prevents blood from the 2 halves from mixing. Nervous stimulation causes the heart to beat, which pumps blood into the heart and out to the rest of the body. The atria first collects blood from systemic and pulmonary circulation via the vena cava and pulmonary vein respectively. Stimulation of the sinoatrial node causes the atria to contract, which pumps the blood to the ventricles. The stimulation moves the atrioventricular node, which is spread to the rest of the ventricular muscles through the bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. The ventricles contract and pump blood for pulmonary and systemic circulation through the pulmonary artery and aorta respectively. The main source of blood circulation are of course the red blood cells, which make up 45% of blood. Red blood cells are red because of the protein haemoglobin, which consists of 4 subunits, 2 alpha and 2 beta. Each subunit contains a heme group which binds to oxygen. Each hemoglobin can thus hold 4 molecules of oxygen. This forms oxyhemoglobin, which is bright red in coloration. Unlike what was shown throughout Cells at Work, red blood cells do not carry food. Nutrients are dissolved in the blood plasma. I will explain blood circulation in an order different from what was shown in this episode. Do bear with the discrepancy. Blood circulates around the body in blood vessels, which can be divided into 3 categories. Arteries, which transport blood away from the heart, veins, which transport blood to the heart, and capillaries, where exchange of nutrients and waste occur. The artery leaving the heart is known as the aorta. Arteries have thick walls to withstand the high blood pressure caused by the beating heart and, in general, contain oxygenated blood. These walls also contract and relax the beating heart, which helps drive blood flow, and that is what you feel as a pulse. Arteries branch out into arterioles and the pressure decreases. Arterioles eventually branch out into capillaries where nutrients and oxygen are transported to the cells and carbon dioxide and waste products are transported to the blood. This exchange occurs due to diffusion, the transfer of materials from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Capillaries are extremely thin, requiring red blood cells to squeeze from a biconcave shape to a bell shape. The walls are 1 cell thick for easy diffusion of materials. Waste is dissolved in the blood, while carbon dioxide is transported through various means. 23% of carbon dioxide is transported by red blood cells in the form of carbaminohemoglobin, which gives deoxygenated blood a dark red color, not blue. If you haven't noticed by now, red blood cells are drawn with different jacket colors depending on which gas they carry. 7% of carbon dioxide are dissolved in blood, while majority of carbon dioxide, 70%, is converted into bicarbonate by carbonic anhydrase and circulate in the blood plasma. Capillaries converge into veins, which transports blood back to the heart. Compared to arteries, veins have thinner walls due to a lower blood pressure. The low blood pressure is insufficient to move the blood. Therefore, there are valves present to prevent the backflow of blood. There are also skeletal muscles surrounding the veins which compress the vessels to move the blood. Veins eventually converge to the vena cava, which transports the deoxygenated blood to the heart. Systemic circulation is complete and blood enters pulmonary circulation upon leaving the heart. Here, things are reversed. The artery is deoxygenated while the vein is oxygenated. At the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is picked up, ready for another round of systemic circulation.